Welcome back to my channel Style Up India. This is me Nisha here and I'm back with another video. In today's video I'm going to share a review of a very known brand, that is the Kesh King. And Kesh King is India's #1 Ayurvedic hair care brand, and lots of people use this brand and are satisfied with it. So I tried my hands on this product and I will share my experience with it, and we'll see it is worth the hype or not, whether it gives result or not, and all the details about this product. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. These are the products which I've tried from Kesh King. The first one is Kesh King Ayurvedic Onion Hair Oil and the other one is Kesh King Ayurvedic Onion Hair Shampoo. Both the products are unique and potent blend of 21 herbs and onion oil that works together to revive your crowning glory. Both the products has been designed for optimal hair growth, hair control and to cure hair problems. So there will be a single person on this planet who has never faced a hair fall. Hair fall is a very common issue and onion is a great ingredient for all the hair problems. It stimulates the scalp and boosts the blood circulation to hair follicles. It reduces hair fall and thinning hair. It has antibacterial properties which helps to keep your scalp healthy and infection free. It also helps in delaying in premature hair graying. First we are going to talk about the onion hair oil. The packaging is very classic and very sturdy, and I'll show you the inner packaging also. So inner bottle looks something like this. It is, I think, a plastic bottle and cap is something like this. It is also very sturdy and travel friendly. It is very lightweight. So I'm just going to apply this on my hair now. So you have to just press it like this and just have to take this in our hands, and the color looks something like this, red in color. So I'm just taking in my palm and just start massaging on my scalp. After a good massage, I tied my hair like this, and I'm going to keep this for 2 hours, and after that I'll wash this with this shampoo. Usually I like to keep the oil overnight, like I apply the oil in the night and wash my hair in the morning, but sometimes I don't get time, sometimes I forget, so then I apply in the morning. So I'm going to keep this for 2 hours and then wash it off. And this oil is very lightweight, non-sticky, and it's not going to make your hair heavy. It's very lightweight, and the smell is very much herby and bit of flower. It doesn't smell like onion at all. So if you are someone who doesn't like onion smell or sensitive to strong smell, this is not going to bother you at all. So guys, I'm back after the hair wash, and you can see my hair, guys. It's been so soft, smooth and frizz free. I love my hair texture now, and let's talk about the result now. So I am facing extreme hair fall these days, and I've seen the result not in the first wash, not in the second wash. I saw the result in my third wash. I saw that my hair fall has been reduced, so I can hope that my hair fall will definitely stop or may get reduced after the regular use of this product. So I will definitely recommend these products to you guys. There are lots and lots of onion products in the market, but none of them are like Kesh King Ayurvedic Onion Oil and onion shampoo. Both are 100% natural and Ayurvedic. There are no paraben, no silicone, no harmful chemicals. They are 100% Ayurvedic. So you can definitely try them out, and there will be no tension of any side effect or something. So definitely you can easily try them out, and if anyone wants to buy this product, you can check the links in my description box. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If yes, then please don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below what other videos you want me to do, and subscribe to my channel so that I can keep making videos. And yeah, that's it. I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, I love you all, bye.